Hi guys, this is Rahul and welcome to yet another exciting unboxing video. Today I would be unboxing a very unique product which I was actually fortunate enough to have taken with me on a very special hiking trip that I recently went on. The product is Lapgear Yo M25 portable power bank. I mean, there are loads and loads of power banks in the market. If you go on to Flipkart, you will see, literally hundreds of them. But this one is really special because it is an incredibly powerful power bank. I mean, though this is not a typical unboxing video because I've already used it, reviewed it several times. I would kind of following the conventions of a typical unboxing video. I would open it for you and take you through the journey. Now here you go. This is what the device looks like. It is extremely sleek, almost looks like an Apple device, Apple iPhone perhaps. A mosaic white in the front, stainless steel back, so it looks really funky. And this is how you power. This is the on and off switch. Pressing this kind of switches the device on. Here is an LED display, if you can see. So the LED display kind of gives you an idea how much power is already there in the device. A useful feature because you should recharge it, keep it charged ready for you to kind of leave whenever you can with the M25 fully charged, especially if you're going on a long journey. The truth of the matter is that I went on this trip and I was actually able to. It was a 3-day trip and I was actually able to charge my phone 4 times. I lived without electricity for 4 days, and but my phone was always fully charged. And I have a Moto E. The Moto E is being used to shoot this video, so I can't show it to you. But I was actually able to use the M25 to charge my Moto E 4 times, which is really incredible. Given some of the other power banks that some of my friends were carrying, they died. I mean, they could not do the job 4 days. But this one stayed alive and saved my life, and kept me connected to my friends, my family, to my entertainment. A very useful device. Some other useful features of this phone. This one has an 8000 mAh battery. That's what gives it all this awesome juice. You can kind of charge it 4 times during 4 days without having to charge the device itself. Awesome. Now more than that, it also has 2 USB ports, so I could charge 2 devices simultaneously. Again, a very useful feature. Now, going through the journey, I would like to show you another really amazing feature that Lapgear has very smartly provided you with. It is a USB slot right here. You can actually carry as much data as you want. It can be expanded up to 128 GB. During long journeys, it always makes sense to carry as much data as you can with you. You never know, movies, music, whatever you want. And something again I really appreciated this additional feature. Now, for those who have an Apple iPhone, especially the i5 and the i6, Lapgear has provided you with an additional jack, a charging jack. i5 and i6 have different jacks, different from the conventional ones at least. So you can actually hook it up and charge your iPhone and i6 with this jack. So again, another very well thought out feature, one that iPhone users will really appreciate. Finally, I would say that another very cool feature, I almost forgot to add this. It boasts of a very powerful LED torch. They have added this. I think the Lapgear guys were really thinking about guys who like to, are adventurous, like to go on hiking trips, because this particular LED light, I mean, it's really super powerful. I mean, it just lights up at night. It just lights up the entire area, and I really, again, I mean, this particular feature kind of again helped me a lot during the camping trip. Uh, all in all, it's a really cool product, a really amazing device, and I would advise all guys with, let me just switch it off, all guys with smartphones to, especially those who like to go on trips, to kind of, go for this one, because it has all the power that you need, all the juice that you would ever require to kind of, power your smartphones, your, any small device that can be charged using a charging port like this one. And I was really happy to have used it. I'm a proud owner of Lactio Yo M25, and wish you all the luck. I mean, you should kind of go with this product without a second thought. Thank you so much.